Hi everyone, I hope you're ready to learn some English. We'll learn the verb do in the present tense to make positive and negative statements and ask questions. The verb do is one of the most important and useful verbs in the English language. For an action or activity, it refers to performing or completing a task. For example, I do my homework every evening. As a helping verb, it's used in forming questions, negatives, and emphatic statements. For example, do you like coffee? I don't eat meat. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I do. You do. He does. We do. You do. They do. To form questions, you move the verb to the front. Positive statement, I do go to the gym. Negative statement, I do not go to the gym. Question, do you go to the gym? Positive statement, we do our shopping at the weekend. Negative statement, we do not do our shopping at the weekend. Question, do they do their shopping at the weekend? Positive statement, I do like pizza. Negative statement, she does not like fast food. Question, do you like fast food? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.